We'll guide you through how to hard reset an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So I know hard resetting can mean different things to different people, so we're going to cover the different meanings and how it can be done. So make sure it's this full guide, and hopefully we're going to cover what you're looking for. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this. So hard resetting can go and mean performing a forced restart. So perhaps your iPhone's stuck or frozen or something's not working and you want to go and perform a restart, but you don't want to go and lose all your files and apps. Well, that's the first way. The second way is where we're going to go and do a reset so everything is removed and it can then go and be set up again from scratch. So you can watch this full guide and go and decide what you're looking for. Let's go and get into this. So if you're looking to go and perform a forced restart hard reset, we can actually do this with a button combination. So if the screen is not working, it doesn't matter. We're going to go and press the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side power button. Now you want to go and keep this held down. Shortly, the screen's going to go black. As you can see, keep it held down. Shortly, the Apple icon should appear. You can then release, and it's now starting again. So what you can then do is go and wait. It shouldn't go and be much longer. As you can see, it's now come back on. We can then go and unlock it, and hopefully the problem's solved. Alternatively, if you're looking to do a reset to remove everything off the iPhone, what you can do is open your settings. In settings, you need to go and scroll down and go and find the option for general and go and tap there. Then you can scroll all the way down and go and find transfer or reset iPhone and tap there. But at the bottom, you can press erase all content and settings. And what you can then do is you can go and see, we've got apps and data, the Apple account and find my. We can press continue here and press erase. Enter in your passcode and you'll need to go and sign out of your Apple ID. And then what you can do is you can go and have it reset. Leave a like if you found this useful.